monitoring ongoing tickets, and communicating ticket updates. Ongoing tickets are active tickets that have been newly logged or currently being resolved by the COARE support team. All active tickets can be viewed by clicking the Ongoing Tickets option on the dashboard or by clicking Ongoing Tickets module in the left panel of the user portal. Aside from the basic information about the issue or concern reported, an ongoing ticket will also show significant information on the status of the service request or incident, such as public log entries and last update details. An ongoing ticket status can either be new, assigned, or pending. Ongoing tickets with new as ticket status are those tickets that have been newly logged by the CORE user and are yet to be assigned to a specific CORE support agent. Ongoing tickets with assigned as ticket status are open tickets that have been acknowledged by the CORE service desk and are forwarded to a specific CORE support agent for request fulfillment or incident resolution activities. Ongoing tickets with pending as ticket status are those tickets that have been put on hold by the CORE service desk because the CORE support lacks the information necessary to carry out request fulfillment or incident resolution activities. A pending status will be lifted and changed to assigned once the required information has been submitted to the CORE support. An ongoing ticket will be constantly updated until the issue gets resolved. The ticket's public log feature allows for communicating ticket updates between CORE support and the user. CORE users can use the public log to ask for updates on their concerns or confirm resolution of the issue they have raised. Likewise, the CORE support team will be utilizing the public log to communicate updates or questions to the CORE user. The next video will show CORE users how to view their resolved and closed tickets in the CORE user portal. Other video tutorials such as the CORE user portal login page and the CORE user portal dashboard and creating a new ticket are also available. For more information on the CORE user portal, please visit the CORE wiki at core.asci.dust.gov.ph or email us at coreservice@asci.dust.gov.ph.